Hi guys, so stay tuned as I make dinner for me and my roommate. So on today's episode, we are having catfish pepper soup. So this is just me cleaning the catfish and actually say, like we can just have 3 head of fish, Let's just butcher it to be 6. So my last lover was a malam that butchered meats. So this is me butchering the catfish head. I'm sorry, this is my first life. Oh, I never had another life. So actually, I was just doing my thing that I know best. I actually hate voice record. So just bear with me if you hear some crack, some anyhow, because actually I'll be cutting and be entering the road and be going to Yongshan, and I went to the Yongshan, I bought lime, and then I hear you sitting scrubbing my fish. If I don't say Yongshan, how would you know that I'm from Akwa Ibom? Yeah, Akwa Ibom, we are not illiterates, but that Yongshan has always been in Yongshan. As you can see, I know somebody is going to come here and tell me, oh, why did you put your fish in the sink? Yes, the sink is clean because after we wash our sink every day. As you can see, yeah, it's so clean and neat. So actually I was just washing my fish fast. Because actually I was so hungry. I was like, I'm hungry. I need eggs, everything eggs. I fell down at practice today and my shoulder hurt so bad. Yeah. But actually, who cares? Nobody cares. Everybody just think you're just like the freaking thing, like your other favorite. Yeah. Let's get into it. So I just put my water into the fish so that I can just get that slimy a little bit out. Even though that sliminess is gone. But, I just had to put it just to give me that texture I want on my fish. So I actually wash it with my cold water, put it inside the pot, as you can see. And I'm going to put this on top of the gas for like 5 minutes to steam before adding my blended pepper, spring onions, as you can see, to the fish. Because you know why I steam it? I steam it so that once I put everything in, it will just go into it. So this is me just trying to blend using my food processor, my Naija food processor, to blend my garlic, ginger, green pepper, every inside. So you see how that is still steaming, and then I went in with my blended, and I went in with my onions powder, as you can see. Don't mind me, I will be changing it anyway. And I went with my cayenne pepper. As you can see, you need it for your pepper soup. And I went in with my garlic powder, even though I had fresh garlic inside it already, because this brings it to another level. It is adobo. Adobo seasoning is the best. And I see there are spices that you just every day you are cooking, you're discovering different spices, Yeah, and I went in with my salt. Don't mind that salt container. Thank God it's finally finished. And then I went in with my diced onions, as you can see. And then guess what? I'm going to go in with the star of the show. And then I wear my gloves, and then I massage everything inside the fish. Yes, massage it as if someone is massaging your legs. Yes, you have to massage it. I did not show the part where I put my Maggi in. Why? Because this Maggi was stronger than someone's relationship. So I decided to use the mortar to hit it so that it will be softer. Yes, American Maggi is stronger than people's relationship, even people's marriage. Anyway, that's not my business. Let's get into whatever we are doing right now. We are making dinner, so let's focus on making dinner. So the star of the show is fresh rosemary. You see fresh rosemary, it takes your pepper soup or any kind of seasoning you're doing to the next level. So this is just it. Just after 15 minutes of cooking it on a low heat, and I added some water to it, as you can see. So we are going to go in with our crayfish. Be generous, auntie. Be generous. Put that crayfish. Go and buy crayfish. Be generous. Then I went with my uyayak. Yeah, I went with my pepper soup seasoning. As you can see, I'll be putting it and be changing it. I'm sorry, my fans. I told you I'm not used to this thing. I went in with my order. It's called Uda, right? Yes, that small thing that they put when somebody gives birth, like a woman gives birth, they put it inside their pepper soup so that it would make their blood flow very well. I put it because we want our blood to flow very well, especially my roommate's blood. So sorry. I'm so sorry. So I added a little bit of water by side so that it would cook properly for about another 15 minutes to, like, don't talk about my food. I just bring it here to just show you what I can actually do. So I actually added Cameroon pepper because Cameroon pepper was not, the pepper I used was not even peppering. So I had to add Cameroon pepper to it. I did not show it. Then I went in with my basil leaf that makes the pepper soup, carry the pepper soup to the next level. And I adjusted it with some Maggi cube. I added 5 cubes of Maggi in this pepper soup, as you can see. So that being said, my pepper soup is ready. So guess what? Guess who was sleeping? My roommate was sleeping. I had to call her. I wake her up and say, "Hey, come and carry your food, oh, Hannah, your food is ready." Yes. Oh, look at it. It's so cute, right? It's so cute, right? Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in my next video. I love you all. Don't forget to like and share for my next video. Bye.